live shows full of energy. You know, it's amazing to see, not only are the shows full of energy, they're full, which is the best of both worlds. But
no one will ever really know how many millions of French students have been inspired by his music. In concert, it's really a powerful thing to see Étienne connect with his students. Each concert goer feels valued. He reaches every person. They go crazy. They jump, they sing, they shout, and they, most of all, speak and sing in French.
The songs and music is a great way to learn French as a second language, and it's a great way to reinforce what they've learned.
Our school then decided to take our Year 10 students to his concert in Wellington, and they all really loved being able to sing along with Étienne and other students learning French.
And when I was working in one of my schools, I took 2 groups to see the concert in St Mary's. Gosh, it was amazing. It was fantastic. Suddenly, you know, there he was, and we were all singing and dancing, and even the teachers that I took with me that knew no French at all, you know, they were singing along as well. It was fantastic, really amazing. He raised the roof, he really did.
Nous avons, vous avez, il est elle. À la gauche, tournez. À la droite, asseyez-vous, levez-vous. Faites en tour complet, tournez. Pourquoi take French? I heard you ask. Well, sit back and roll.
Petit peu, je t'emmène. Allons nous jouer dans l'intimité, au royaume du bonhomme hiver. Sur le pont d'Avignon, l'on y danse, sur le pont d'Avignon, l'on y danse tout en rond, avec les belles filles. Vive la canadienne, vive le panier de la table ronde. Allons voir si le lait est bon. Allons voir, oui, oui, oui. Allons voir, non, non, non. Allons voir si le lait est bon.
The entire reason that Étienne has any measure of popularity, let's say, is because of the French teachers. It's that connection and the idea of everybody working together. And this is the thing, no matter where I'm at, whether I'm here in Windsor, Ontario, back home, which is always fun, or whether I'm far away somewhere in Australia or wherever it may be, the crowd reaction is exactly the same because of the French teachers. It's that whole collective effort by the French teachers and myself and the students that makes it so wonderful. And I feel very blessed that I get to be a part of that. I get to be a little part of their lessons once in a while in their classroom. It's absolutely fantastic. And then it culminates when we get to come together for a concert like these ones.